Facebook lead generation works for B2B, but only when you match the platform's content consumption patterns to your offer. Most B2B marketers treat Facebook like Google, same ad copy, same landing pages, same expectations. And that's exactly why they get terrible results. Let me show you the 5-step system that actually works. Facebook is not a search intent platform. When someone is on Google, they have purchase intent, they're actively looking for a solution to a problem. Facebook users arrive to scroll, connect with peers, and consume content. They are not thinking about buying anything. So when a B2B business runs Google-style ads on Facebook expecting search intent conversions, they get low-quality form fills and high cost per lead. The platform's actual strength is granular demographic and behavioral targeting at scale, the ability to reach specific job titles, specific industries, specific company sizes. That's what makes Facebook powerful for B2B when used correctly. Step 1. Choose the right campaign objective. In Ads Manager, go to Campaigns, Create, Lead Generation. Not conversions, not traffic, not brand awareness, lead generation. This is a critical distinction that most B2B advertisers get wrong. Lead generation objective tells Meta to optimize for form submissions, pre-qualify users with instant forms, and pass leads directly to your CRM or marketing automation tool via partner integrations. Conversions objective optimizes for website actions and will send you high-volume, low-quality traffic that bounces because it was never the right audience to begin with. Lead generation objective is purpose-built for exactly this job. Step 2. Define your audience with precision. In audience settings, choose your targeting radius around the cities where your best customers live. Then use detailed targeting to narrow by job title. Targeting CEOs, CMOs, and directors gets you the decision-makers who control budget, not the foot-draggers who forward everything to procurement. Add company size filters to match the businesses you actually sell to. Layer in industries using the business targeting options. The more specific your audience, the lower your cost per lead, because you're showing ads to people who actually match your buyer profile. Broad B2B audiences on Facebook are expensive and ineffective. Step 3. Use lead gen forms with minimal friction. In each ad set, turn on instant form as your conversion destination. Keep your form fields to the absolute minimum, name, email, and 1 or 2 qualifying questions. The fewer fields you ask for, the more submissions you get. Meta's own marketing science research shows that lead gen forms average 2 to 3 times higher conversion rates than equivalent landing page forms for B2B offers, because the pre-filled profile data removes friction at the exact moment of capture. You're not asking people to leave Facebook, navigate to a landing page, wait for it to load, and then fill out a form. You're capturing them right there in the feed, with data they've already given Meta. That difference is enormous. Step 4. Build a retargeting warm layer. Here's the reality. Most people who see your lead gen ad will not fill it out on the first impression. They need to see your brand 2 or 3 times before they trust you enough to give you their contact information. Set up a custom audience from everyone who has seen your lead gen ad but not filled it out. Then create a lookalike audience based on your best existing customers. Meta will find people who look like your buyers. Run a second campaign targeting the lookalike with a lower friction offer, a downloadable guide, a checklist, a free consultation. Warm this audience before you ever ask them to commit to a demo or a sales call. The goal is to get them familiar with your brand, your positioning, and your point of view before you ask for the close. Step 5. Integrate with your CRM from day 1. Connect your lead gen forms directly to HubSpot, Salesforce, or MailChimp using Meta's partner integrations. Every lead that comes in should be automatically entered into a nurture sequence, an email sequence that builds trust and moves them toward your offering. If you wait until you have hundreds of leads to set this up, you will have missed the critical first week of follow-up, and those early leads will go cold. Speed to lead matters enormously in B2B. The data is unambiguous. Leads contacted within 5 minutes convert at dramatically higher rates than leads contacted after an hour. Here's what this system produces in the real world. A regional restaurant chain with 12 locations was spending $58,000 a month across Google, Meta, and local print. They were using an agency's traditional approach, allocating budget by revenue percentage, without any cross-channel modeling to understand actual contribution per channel. After implementing marketing mix modeling, the data told a very different story. Their Meta campaigns were producing 2.8 times the reported ROAS, while Google was underperforming relative to its share of voice. Meta was generating leads that Google's last-click attribution was incorrectly claiming credit for. The model found that reallocating 32% of their budget from Google to Meta would close the gap. They made that shift. The result: 340 additional covers per week and $41,000 in monthly revenue at identical total ad spend. Same budget. Better channel selection driven by actual data, not platform-reported fiction. This is what understanding your real ROAS per channel makes possible. If you're running last-click attribution and wondering why your Google ads look incredible while your Meta campaigns feel impossible to justify to the CFO, that is the measurement model talking, not the marketing. Facebook B2B lead generation works. You just need the right system. To learn how Optimix can help you build a data-driven Facebook lead generation system, visit optimix.aureliansystems.tech. The link is in the description.